Introduction. Data center real estate investment trusts, REITs, and AI infrastructure are emerging as some of the most lucrative opportunities in 2025. The explosion of AI, cloud computing, and digital services demands more data centers, creating a fast-growing market ripe for investment. Why invest in data center REITs? Data center REITs own and operate specialized facilities that house servers and networking equipment powering global AI workloads. Firms like Equinix and Digital Realty manage hundreds of centers worldwide, benefiting from long-term leases to tech giants. Investing in these REITs provides exposure to the backbone infrastructure of the digital economy without the complexities of owning physical assets, offering steady income through dividends plus growth potential as AI demand soars. AI infrastructure's investment importance. AI's rise requires massive computing power, specialized data centers equipped with GPUs and high-performance cooling systems. This shift drives huge capital investments by tech giants and institutional investors. Partnerships like the Global AI Infrastructure Investment Partnership, GAIIP, funnel billions into building next-gen data centers capable of supporting AI workloads, making AI infrastructure a critical growth area for investors. Market trends and strategic insights. Global data center investments topped $60 billion in 2024 and continue growing rapidly, with major expansions in the US, Asia, and Europe. Financial institutions and funds are increasingly backing AI-enabled facilities, shifting focus from physical real estate to power management and connectivity. Liquid cooling and energy efficiency upgrades are becoming standard to handle intensive AI workloads, creating further investable opportunities in infrastructure. How to approach investment. Consider leading data center REITs with strong portfolios like Equinix and Digital Realty for stable exposure. Look at funds or partnerships focused on AI infrastructure developments to tap into growth before the sector matures. Remember, as AI drives digital transformation, infrastructure investments balance growth with defensive qualities, ideal for diversified portfolios.